Hello dear students, today I am going to talk about an online simulator, Tinkercad. Tinkercad is a software and it's very easy to use and very helpful for doing circuit experiments. We are going to focus on electrical side, though it provides other functions. So let's start it. I will introduce the basic instruments that are available on these tools as well as how to use these components. Okay, for getting Tinkercad, you have to just go to my VLC course and find the online simulator field. Click on it and you will be able to open the first interface. After that, you get an interface like me. Once you have created an account, you just simply click on circuit options. Okay, after that, if you want to create a new circuit, then just click on create new circuit options, or if you want to access your previous design, then you can click here. Now I want to create a new circuit, so I will click on create new circuit option. Okay, when you get here, you will of course find some basic tools like rotate, delete, other options, and on the other side you will find the code that allows you to embed an Arduino with a microboard if you want to use this code. And then we definitely use this button start simulation after designing our circuit to execute our experiment. And then you can export any circuit from here and also share options here. Then I am going to describe the basic components. At first, I will click on all components. So as a result, I will access the components all together here. So here, if you scroll down, then you will find all components one by one. At first, you find some general components like resistor, capacitor, then some input options here. After that, output options, then some power supply option, breadboards, microcontrollers, instruments, integrated circuits, some power control options, networking options, some connectors, and finally the logic. We have already some idea about logic gates, so when we will try to implement a logic circuit, then we will definitely use this integrated circuit. So now I want to make a simple connection. So for this reason, I just pick a small breadboard. Then I need a power supply also. For this reason, I pick 9-volt battery. Then I need a output device to show my output, and to control this battery supply 9-volt, I need a resistor. So now I want to make a connection using these 4 components. So at first I want to connect my breadboard with this 9-volt battery. So click on here to make a connection or active the breadboard. And then I just need to connect this output device with this battery, but I needed to control this 9-volt battery. So that's why I use a resistor here, and after that the positive connection will be here. So I just connect this one with the positive side, and you can make it more beautiful. So my connection is done. Now I'll have to click on the start simulation button. So click on it. Thank you all for enjoying the class.